All right, so in this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to install and set up the Shopify point of sale on your iPad device. So to get started, you're going to into the App Store, and you're searching for Shopify point of sale, POS. Looks like the blue one. Don't confuse it with the green one, because green one is the e-commerce, right? So the POS, the blue one, the point of sale. So this one right here, this is for online selling, and the blue one is for the store. And so I already have it downloaded. I'm just going to go ahead and hit open. And at this point, it asks me to log in with my email, which I have. And let me go ahead and share with you my email and password. Ready? Did you get that? Now the password. Cool. So now that you have this, all right, so once we've entered the username and password, which I have told you, we will log in. And upon login, it will take us through this wizard here, which we can just go next. In fact, we can just go ahead and just skip and choose whether we want light or dark. Let's go ahead and pick light, because light is light and dark is dark. All right, so why not? Let's allow all notifications. And we're going to generate a random pin. So I'm going to tell you what the pin is, and it is, okay. You got that? And once you've entered that pin, now we have our POS installed. Okay. And now from this, you can click on these three lines, and the navigation here will tell you that you can you can go to your orders, you can check out your products. We don't have any, and the products can be created from your website, from an account like this, like a computer. Okay, so that's how you create a store on a POS.